How to link a bank account on Wise. From the main page of Wise, we have to click on our name in the top right corner, and right here we have to select the settings option. Once we have clicked on it, you will see these options right here, and we have to go to connected accounts. Once we have clicked on it, a drop-down menu will appear and you will be able to see this bank accounts option. So just click on connect your bank account. Once you have selected it, you will see a list of all of the countries that you can link a bank account from. So for the sake of this tutorial, we will do the United States. If we scroll down, you can either verify instantly or you can manually verify your bank account. So if we click on manual verification, you will have to input your routing number, your account number, you have to select your account type, as well as your account nickname. So once you have input all of this information and you have clicked on confirm, it will tell us that all transfers done with manual verification will take 3 to 5 days. And if we want instant transfers or faster transfers, we have to go back and go to instant verification. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.